Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak English with Alex. I'm so happy you are here today.
And hi, everyone. I'm Emma, and today's topic is something I absolutely love.
Oh really? What is it, Emma?
Travel, airports, planes, going to new places.
I can see you are excited. And you are right. Today, we're talking about English at the airport.
Airports can be stressful. There are so many signs, so many announcements, so many people asking you questions.
That is true, but today, we're going to teach you every conversation you need to know, from check-in to security to boarding the plane.
Yes, by the end of this episode, you will feel confident traveling alone in an English-speaking airport.
So, before we start, everyone, please subscribe to the channel. It is free, and it helps us so much. Okay, let's go. Part 1. The story of the missing passport. Emma, can I tell you a story?
Of course, you know I love stories.
This is a true story about my first time flying alone. I was 19 years old.
19? That is young.
I was very young and very nervous. I was flying from New York to London.
That is a long flight.
Very long. I arrived at the airport 3 hours early. I did not want to be late.
3 hours? That is so early.
I know. I was so nervous. I went to the check-in counter. The woman asked me, "May I see your passport, please?"
And what happened?
I reached into my bag, and my passport was not there.
What? No passport?
I panicked. I checked all my pockets. I checked my bag again. Nothing.
Oh no, what did you do?
I stood there for about 10 seconds, completely frozen. Then I remembered. I put my passport in my jacket pocket, the jacket I was wearing.
Oh my gosh, so it was there the whole time?
Yes, right there in my pocket. The woman smiled and said, "It happens all the time. Don't worry."
That is such a relief.
It was, and that experience taught me something important. Airport staff are usually very kind. They see nervous travelers every day. They want to help you.
That's a great lesson, so don't be afraid to ask for help.
Exactly. Now let's learn the conversations you will have at the airport.
Okay, Alex, let's start at the beginning. What is the first thing you do at the airport?
The first thing is check-in. You go to the check-in counter or you use a self-service machine.
What do they ask you at check-in?
Here are the most common questions.
Number 1, may I see your passport, please?
You just hand them your passport. You can say, "Here you go," or "Of course."
Number 2, do you have any checked bags?
Checked bags are the bags that go under the plane. You can say, "Yes, I have one bag," or "No, I only have carry-on."
What is carry-on?
Great question. Carry-on is the bag you take with you on the plane. It goes in the overhead bin above your seat.
Number 3, did you pack your bags yourself?
This is a security question. Just say, "Yes, I did," or "Yes, I packed everything myself."
Number 4, has anyone given you anything to carry?
This is another security question. You say no. Never carry things for strangers.
Number 5, would you like a window or aisle seat?
A window seat is next to the window. An aisle seat is next to the walkway. You can say, "Window, please," or "Aisle, please."
I always choose the window seat. I love looking at the clouds.
I choose the aisle seat. I like to stand up and stretch my legs.
Okay, now the part everyone hates, security control.
Yes, it is not fun, but it is very important.
What do they say at security?
Here are the common instructions you will hear.
Number 1, please take off your shoes and jacket.
You just do it. You don't need to say anything.
Number 2, please remove your laptop from your bag.
Laptops need to go in a separate bin, also tablets and large electronics.
Number 3, please empty your pockets.
Put everything from your pockets into the bin: keys, phone, wallet.
Number 4, please place your liquids in the clear bag.
Liquids like shampoo, toothpaste, and lotion must be in small containers inside a clear plastic bag.
How small?
About 100 milliliters or less, about the size of a small bottle.
Then you walk through the metal detector.
Yes, and if the alarm beeps, they will ask you to go back and check your pockets again.
Don't worry, it happens to everyone, even me.
And sometimes they will say, "Please stand here for a pat-down."
What is a pat-down?
A pat-down is when they gently touch your clothes to check for hidden items. It is not painful, just a little uncomfortable.
The most important thing is to stay calm, follow the instructions, and be patient.
Okay, you made it through security. Now you're at the gate.
The gate is where you wait for your plane and where you board.
What announcements do you hear at the gate?
Here are the common announcements. Attention passengers, Flight 247 to London is now boarding.
That means it's time to get on the plane.
We are now boarding rows 20 through 30.
They board the plane in groups. Listen for your row number.
This is the final boarding call.
This means the plane is almost ready to leave. Do not miss this announcement.
I have almost missed a flight before. It's so stressful.
When you board the plane, the flight attendant will say, "Welcome aboard." Your seat is number.
You can say, "Thank you," and find your seat.
Then you put your carry-on bag in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you.
What if I cannot lift my bag?
Just ask someone for help. Say, "Excuse me, could you help me with my bag, please?" People are usually very nice.
Okay, you are on the plane. Now what?
First, you fasten your seatbelt. The flight attendant will say, "Please fasten your seatbelt."
What is a seatbelt?
The strap that keeps you safe in your seat, like in a car.
Then they will do the safety demonstration.
They will show you how to use the oxygen mask and life vest. Pay attention, but don't worry, it is very rare to need them.
What do flight attendants ask you?
Here are common questions on the plane.
Would you like something to drink?
You can say, "Water, please," "Coffee, please," "Orange juice, please."
What would you like for dinner?
On long flights, they serve meals. You can say, "Chicken, please," or "Vegetarian, please."
Would you like a blanket or a pillow?
If you are cold or tired, say, "Yes, please." They are free.
I always say yes to the blanket. Planes are so cold.
Same here. Also, if you need to use the bathroom, it is called the lavatory on a plane.
Lavatory? That's a fancy word for bathroom.
Yes, but most people just say bathroom or restroom.
Alex, do you have another airport story?
I do. This one is about a delayed flight.
Oh no, delays are the worst.
I was flying from Chicago to Los Angeles. I arrived at the gate. The screen said, "Delayed, 2 hours."
2 hours? That is so long.
I was frustrated, but I couldn't do anything, so I went to a cafe and bought a sandwich.
What did you say to the cashier?
I said, "Hello, I would like a turkey sandwich and a bottle of water, please."
Simple and clear. Perfect.
Then I sat near the gate. After about an hour, an announcement came.
What did it say?
Attention passengers, Flight 227 to Los Angeles is now boarding at gate B12.
Finally.
Yes, I boarded the plane. I sat down. I was so happy.
So the lesson is, Bring snacks and be patient.
Exactly. And always listen for announcements. They can change at any time.
Okay, you landed. Now you are in a new country.
Yes, but before you leave the airport, you need to go through immigration and customs.
What is immigration?
Immigration is where they check your passport and visa. They make sure you can enter the country.
What do they ask you?
Here are common immigration questions.
What is the purpose of your visit?
You can say tourism, business, visiting family, study.
How long will you be staying?
Say the number of days or weeks. 2 weeks, 1 month, 5 days.
Where will you be staying?
Say the name of the hotel or the address of your friend. At the Grand Hotel, with my friend in London.
Do you have a return ticket?
Say, yes, I do. They want to know you plan to leave.
What is customs?
Customs is where they check what you are bringing into the country. They want to know if you have food, alcohol, or expensive items.
What do they ask at customs?
Do you have anything to declare?
What does declare mean?
Declare means to tell them about something. If you have food or gifts, you say, yes, I have some gifts. If you have nothing, you say, no, nothing to declare.
And then, congratulations, you are in the new country.
Okay, Emma, let's give our listeners some useful phrases for the airport.
Yes, let's do it.
Phrase number 1. Where is the check-in counter for airline name?
Use this when you cannot find your airline.
Phrase number 2. Is this the right gate for flight number?
Always double check. Gates can change.
Phrase number 3. Excuse me, where is the restroom?
Very important phrase.
Very important. Phrase number 4. Could you help me, please?
Airport staff are there to help. Just ask.
Phrase number 5. What time does boarding start?
Boarding is when you get on the plane.
Phrase number 6. I think I am lost. Can you point me to gate number?
Airports are big. It is easy to get lost.
Phrase number 7. Does this flight serve food?
Some flights have food, some do not. Good to know before you board.
These phrases will help you so much. Write them down.
Alex, what signs will people see at the airport?
Great question. Here are the most common signs.
Departures,
This is where flights leave from.
arrivals,
This is where flights come in,
check-in,
where you drop your bags and get your boarding pass,
security,
where they check you and your bags,
gate,
where you wait for your plane,
baggage claim,
where you pick up your checked bags after the flight,
information,
where you can ask questions.
restrooms, toilets.
Very important sign.
Very important.
Okay, everyone, let's quickly review the key vocabulary from today. Ready, Emma?
Ready.
Number 1, check-in, where you show your passport and drop your bags.
Number 2, carry-on, the bag you take with you on the plane.
Number 3, boarding pass, the paper or digital ticket that lets you on the plane.
Number 4, gate, where you wait for your plane.
Number 5, departure, when the plane leaves.
Number 6, arrival, when the plane lands.
Number 7, immigration, where they check your passport.
Number 8, customs, where they check what you are bringing.
Try to use these words today. Practice saying them out loud.
And here is our question for you. Write your answer in the comments below, in English.
Where do you want to travel most? What is your dream destination?
For me, my dream destination is Japan. I want to see Tokyo and eat real sushi.
For me, I want to go to Italy. I want to eat pasta and see the Colosseum.
If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And share this episode with a friend who is planning to travel. They will thank you.
Thank you so much, Emma, for being here today. You always bring such great energy.
Thank you, Alex. I love talking about travel. It makes me so happy.
And thank you, everyone, for listening. Remember, airports are not scary. You have the English you need. You can do this.
Safe travels, everyone. We believe in you.
See you in the next episode. Keep practicing. Your English is getting better every single day. Bye, everyone.
Bye.